On Sundays, we thrift. Secondhand Shein is crazy. My Sundays best. Feel like I'm Jill Scott.
Am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you.
Okay, y'all. It is Sunday. We are thrifting. I found my mother found $2. Oh, those are nice. You found those are yours, huh? You gonna take those? Yeah. My mom be finding stuff. One thing about me and my mom is like we wear similar sizes. We don't wear the same size in shoes. But when it comes to like clothes, sometimes I can fit her stuff, sometimes she can fit my stuff depending. We be like fighting over like what's what, like who's gonna get what. But it's usually finders keepers, like whoever finds it keeps it. But sometimes we share and be like, okay, you can have this, you can have this one. But I'm outside thrifting. No, it's $2 Sunday, ma. It used to be $1. They went up. I always say it's so funny how my mom loves thrifting, because when I first ever was like, I want to go thrifting, she was like, thrifting? Now look. I hope my lip gloss is not doing that white thing. Let me go to the men's section. The men be having nice stuff. The color of the day is green. Let me put y'all here. On Sundays, we thrift. Okay. Hopefully this is good enough. It's a cute coat. And it's green. So since it's green and it's Sunday, it'll only be $2. My camera is gonna fall and it's a fly in here. You know what's so funny? Because I was like thinking like when I go thrifting, I want to look for dresses. So I want to look, these are dresses. I can't really set y'all up anywhere. This dress is green. This is like cute for work. The imaginary job I don't have, but it's cute in theory. I don't know if this is supposed to be a pajama set or like a two-piece set. I don't know. Look, I need your help. I'm trying to vlog, but it's so many people. So, Mom, what do you think? Do you think this is pajamas or do you think it's a two-piece set?
It's a two-piece set then.
Okay. I don't know the size of this. Oh, it's from Shein. It's a small. Those are cute. What you think? It's like a high-low, but this is small and I don't want to be squeezing into anything. Oh, it's green. Oh, Mom, look at the jacket. Dang. Everything is all tangled up. I have everything all tangled up. Look at the jacket. Look at the jacket, Mommy. $2? Here. Mom's dress. I feel like it gives, but I don't think it's gonna fit me. So I will have to put this back. All right, dress back. All right, I don't see nothing as crazy. People ran through the store, you could tell. That's the color of the day. Let me see. All right. See if I could do what? My mom must think I do miracles. Like she like.
These was green.
These are cute. $7.99 each.
This is green.
They're not nothing you can't go without, but I guess for $2, hey, why not? Look at it. Look at this, Ma.
Shut up.
She be doing good, and then it's just giving like.
Just go left.
Yeah, you go left. It's. Whoa. Let's try this jacket on. All right. Y'all, why is there bags in this? Like, I guess this is like doggy bags for people with disabilities. What the hell? Let's see. Oh, this might be a little small. Yeah, I do not like how it's fitting. It fits a little small. I don't like feeling stuffed. I feel stuffed in it. Let me get up out of here. Let me get this off me. It's a chop. This coat is a chop. It's cute. Chop though. Put it right back over here. Store is buzzing with people. I don't want to get people in my shot and stuff like that because I try to respect people's privacy. But it's authentic. It's real. This is cute. Look, y'all. It's like, it's a tube dress. Super cute. It's little. Oh, it's a medium. And guess what the name is? Daisy. Look. So y'all see? It says Daisy. That is too cute. That's my name. It's little. I cannot fit it. Oh, there go my mom. I'm like, I've lost my mom. I was just talking about you. You don't like being black, so I just think it's real funny when you get all this black empowerment stuff, and she always be like, when I come back, I want to come back white. I want white privilege my next lifetime. This is cute. I saw this.
Yeah. What you think about those?
This is corny.
Okay, hang them up, Daisy. Hang them up. I was just asking.
It's a two-piece set. This is the set that's from Shein. Secondhand Shein is crazy.
What you right?
See if this even fit. This is the front, right?
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
It's like a high-low moment. You can see the shirt.
All right, what you think about this Levi shirt?
It's a high-low shirt. It's all right. Okay. Right. Boom. Boom. Okay, what you think?
Cute.
I gotta go all the way to the back of the store.
Well, I will go see.
Look at me. I don't care. Look at this. I put the clothes on top of my outfit. I don't care. I can't tell if I like it or not because I have too many damn clothes on. Well, this was helpful. I cannot tell. I can't tell if I like this or not because it's... I have too many clothes on. Like, I cannot tell. You're not picking up nothing green. I can't tell. It's just... I don't think I'm going to get this. I don't think I'm going to get it because I just cannot tell how I will like it. Yeah, I don't know how that will look. And I'm like, I'm not gonna waste my time. So forget it. I have not found anything. It's giving chop. Sometimes it's a beautiful day. Other days it's not. This is one of those days. I don't even have to say nothing to my mom. She could just tell by my face, like, come on, you know better.
All right, so I'm doing my process up a little.
Horrible.
They're brand new. They've been down in the public. They're only $6. That's $6.
My mom likes all of these prints, and we've switched places. When a couple of years ago, I used to love colors and prints, and now not so much as I'm getting older. And she likes colors and prints and all type of stuff. I mean, I like certain things, but she likes them a little more. I could tell. All right, I'm sitting down on this bench because I don't see nothing I like. Follow me on TikTok. I was styling outfits. Make sure you follow me on TikTok so you can see me style pieces. If y'all want to see me style stuff, TikTok is where to find me. That's where I post off like my outfit of the, I post all of my outfit of the days and like fashion and unboxing, like shoe unboxings and stuff. TikTok gets it first. So make sure you follow me on TikTok. This outfit. This one. My style fit. All these outfits. And make sure y'all follow me on TikTok. Yeah, I'm about to close this vlog out right here. When I might go to another thrift store, so when I go to another thrift store, I'll pick it up. But right now, it's nothing going on. There's nothing happening. So I'm gonna see y'all later. My nose is itching bad, but yeah, I'm gonna see y'all later. Okay, I have made it to another thrift. So since it's Sunday, green means it's gonna be $2. All right, that's as good as we gonna get it, okay? Baby, please stop falling. My fingernails are so sensitive. I keep hurting my fingers trying to mess with this tripod. What's up, mama? They got a bunch of college merch in here. I guess people feel like I did my years, I'm out. All right, and it's becoming a damn regret. Got the degree and I ain't even using it. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe on my videos. Make sure y'all like my videos. Make sure y'all like, right now, like the video. This is the perfect time to like and press the subscribe button. Thank you. What this one say? Just a kid from Newark. Well, I'm not from Newark, so. And my Sunday's best. Feel like I'm Jill Scott. This is cute. You don't pay my bills. I'm gonna do a shoes I've thrifted haul. Or so I think. Cause my mind is always subject to change. But I think I'm gonna do that. So be on the lookout for that. So make sure you subscribe. Wink, wink. I can't wink. I cannot wink.
Attention Google shoppers. This is a friendly reminder that our fitting room will be closing in 1 hour. This is also a friendly reminder that our store will be closing at 6 p.m. sharp.
She said, let me make sure y'all know so y'all get the fuck up out of here. Y'all ain't gotta go home, but y'all gotta get up out of here. Let's pray nobody comes to this section. Not that I own this section, but let me just pray that I can get my little shot and show y'all. Hold on. This is the jacket. Oh, it fits. That's it. That's the only 2 buttons it got. Okay. This is it. I don't like how short it is on my arms. Is that the style? Maybe the style is like that. I don't know. I mean, yeah, I could pull it down, but I don't know. My chanclas. Look, y'all. I'll just be all over the place, but this is cute. It has like the shoulder pads. This is kind of cute. Is it giving Mike Jack? I think it's kind of cute. But I'm trying to think in my mind, like, what would I style it with, you know? Probably some black pants and a nasty heel. Do they have a book section in here? I'm looking for the books. They got the tote bag. That shit is not Marc Jacobs. That's probably Mike Jacobs or something, but it ain't Marc Jacobs. I know that much. This is cute. Like, things feel like old school. Oh, and it's green, so that means it's $2. Let's try it on. Look, I'm getting a signal that my battery's about to die, so if it just cut out on me, just know I gave it everything I got, okay? I gave y'all my all.
Hey, Goodwill shoppers. Goodwill is partnered with Green Chip to bring you a new e-recycling service. Together, we recycle all types of electronics regardless
It's too small.
of condition.
It's the boobs. It's these damn boobs. They just won't go nowhere. For real, like.
Goodwill is hiring.
Ease up off me. You feel me? Ease up off me. Back up. 6 feet. We just left the pandemic a couple years ago. Give me 6 feet. They just won't. Having big boobs is so cute, like in certain tops and stuff, but sometimes it's just like, damn, I wish they was detachable. I wish he shut the fuck up. I wish my boobs were detachable, but unfortunately, they're stuck.
Okay, well this is what I found.
That's cute. That's for you.